Developed in the late 1960s by Panhard as an armored personnel carrier and complementing the AML reconnaissance vehicle, the Panhard M3 was a fairly successful French combat vehicle. Over 1,000 units have been produced and exported to dozens of countries globally. The M3 being a low-cost combat vehicle and rather basic for Western standards. The M3 is an extremely versatile design which can be configured for a wide variety of auxiliary battlefield roles. The most popular variants of the base personnel carrier included an armored ambulance, a mobile command post, and an internal security vehicle. It could also be fitted with a wide variety of turrets and armament, ranging from a single general-purpose machine gun to medium-caliber autocannon. The M3 is derived from the AML reconnaissance vehicle, and the 4x4 chassis share 95% of the automotive components. This reduces costs for nations operating both types of vehicles. In the M3, the driver is seated at the front in the middle with the engine right behind him. The infantry compartment is at the rear, and the infantry can access the vehicle by means of doors in both sides and the rear. On each side, there are 3 hatches that serve as both windows and firing ports. The hull of the M3 is of all-welded steel construction, varying in thickness from 8 mm to 12 mm. The driver is seated at the front of the vehicle and provided with a single hatch cover in the glacis split opening to the right. The engine and transmission are housed in a compartment directly to the driver's rear. On the interior space to the rear of the engine and transmission is a tube compartment. Aside from the driver, the M3 can carry 11 passengers. The M3 is relatively lightweight, and the location of its air and exhaust outlets on the hull roof made it possible to design it as an amphibious vehicle. The M3 is propelled at a modest speed of 4 km/h through water by all 4 wheels. Although never adopted by the French army, the M3 series was procured in vast quantities by foreign armies and security forces, especially in Africa and Middle East. The M3 continues in service today and has seen combat exposure as recently as the Yemeni Civil War. It has proven serviceable as both a military and security-minded vehicle. By the time production ceased in 1986, it was the most common APC produced by any Western nation in the world.